G'day, it's Matt here at Te Pari, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the features and benefits of the Te Pari Hoof Handler and demonstrating it with some cattle. The Hoof Handler is Te Pari's dedicated crush for hoof trimming work. With our proven head bale, slam latches and built tough, it's designed for any size cattle. So now I'll demonstrate how to use the crush, and the first step is to have your belly strap laid across the floor like this. Reason for that is so when the cattle beast walks over it and is in the head bale, you don't have to reach right under. So now we'll open the sliding gate and bring the cow in. So now that she's in the head bale, what we want to do is take our strap and just run it up the side here and hook it onto the carabiner. Then we can use our winch to lift that strap up. Now the trick with the winch is we don't actually want to take her off the ground. It's just to support her in case she goes down. So we should be able to reach in and get our hands down the side there. Like that, like so. So the next thing is the back feet. So the way we do this is we take this bar here and we've got all these selection holes on the side. So these are just for selecting different size cattle. So for her, we'll put it there. And the next thing to do is take your rope and get in behind there. You just want to take the end of your rope and throw it around. And loop it through. Like so. There we can just drop it down like that and take it under the bar. Wrap it over and around. So we end up with it wrapped like that, and from there we can just hook the rope onto our winch. So now we just start winching that leg up. Okay, so from there we can now get in and safely clean up that hoof. So once we've done that, it's just as easy to let her down again on these winches. Just unwind it and she can just drop her foot down. So you just keep unwinding. Take the rope off. Take it all the way off. And that's how you do the back feet. So the next thing is the front feet. The first thing we do is take this bar here, it's the smaller of the two, and we put it through one of these two holes here. The reason for this bar is a kick bar, so those legs can't come through and kick you. From there, we'll lift that up and take this gate off. Now we can mount our front hoof blocks. Just like that. So when mounting your front hoof block, there are 3 different heights you can put it in, just based on the size of the animal. So now what we want to do is use this little lever here, pull it back, and that'll release our winch. Pull our rope out, then we can take that rope, wrap it around the cow's leg, pull it up tight. You want to go just there below the dew claws. And then take the slack. So as we put pressure on the hoof, we want to do is just reach in and lift, guide that hoof in. We'll wrap this rope around here. It's just an extra support to hold that leg in place. So now the foot is restrained on the block. We've got the rope around the knee there. We're ready to work on this foot. So now to let her out, first thing we want to do is then just undo this rope, like so. Then again we can just release this winch. And that foot is free to just fall down on its own. You can just grab the rope from under the winch and just pull it out. Unhook. Pull your backing bar out. Now that we've taken her foot out of the block, see all 4 feet are on the ground. Now we just want to release the tension here on the belly strap. So as we do that, we want to do it gently, just to make sure she's still got weight on all 4 feet, no problem. She's not going to go down. Then we can unclip our carabiner, down there, and let her out. So some of the other uses of the hoof handler are things like cesarean work, where you can open up these top gates and back here can be opened up completely to have good access to the animal. This can also be useful for mothering on a calf, coming in through here while keeping this one closed, like so, or even calving. Be able to get an animal in the head bar supported and open up your sides fully to give really good access to the animal. The other thing we can do in calving is we can use our rear winch, hook that on, and it can come back to our sliding gate. Also with that, just as we're sliding it around the rails of the sliding gate, depending on the size of the animal, just decide which rail you're going to wrap it around. So now we'll cover some of the optional features of the crush, starting with the belly winch. So we currently have one here. You can also get a second one mounted here for extra support for the animal. The next optional extra is the vet section. So from this gate back is an option, and this is what we call the vet. So it's just extra access and extra length. On top of that, with a vet section, you can add a sliding gate. This is handy if you're mounting the crush to an existing race. The next one is the floor. So as standard, they don't come with a floor. This one has a wood and rubber lined floor. Now this is great for one big reason. You can then put this crush on load bars and use it as a weigh platform as well. So finally, the hoof blocks are an option. You don't have to buy these with the crush. So that's a brief overview of the Te Pari Hoof Handler. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to know more, feel free to get in touch.